How to fix a relationship that is boring. When a relationship becomes dull, people stop trying to solve their relationship's problems together. They may also be holding on to hurt feelings and stop trying to engage in meaningful conversations with their partners. According to Deborah Filte, a licensed professional counselor, this can lead to a lack of emotional intimacy, resulting in a sense of boredom. Signs of a boring relationship. Boredom is one of the most common signs of a relationship that isn't working out. It is easy to fall into a routine when your partner isn't catching your gaze or showing interest in your daily activities. Although you may still care about each other, you may feel like your relationship is going nowhere. If this sounds familiar, it is probably time to start reassessing your relationship and your expectations. Your relationship may be boring because you aren't spending enough time together. Perhaps you both have too many things to do on your own. Perhaps you don't have the same interests. It may be time to find something else to do with your partner. If you don't feel like you're spending enough time with your partner, it's important to address the problem so that you can avoid a boring relationship. The early days of your relationship were probably full of excitement and passion. You and your partner were intensely in love and close to each other. As time went on, your relationship became increasingly uninteresting, making you question your partner's compatibility and ability to last long. Fortunately, you can easily identify the signs of a boring relationship and make some adjustments. Boredom in a relationship can be caused by lack of connection, communication, and conviction. While it's a phase and will eventually pass, it's best to address it before it gets out of hand. Be honest with your partner about the issue at hand, listen to their opinions, and seek ways to break the rut. You are likely getting bored in your relationship and aren't looking for a deeper relationship. Boredom can cause you to take your relationship for granted, and you may even be taking it for granted. Ultimately, it can lead to problems in your relationship. It's easy to get bored with someone who's comfortable with you and not trying to connect. Boredom can be prevented by setting goals for your relationship. This way, you and your partner will look forward to doing something together. For instance, you may decide to go on a rainy evening drive or go to a famous restaurant. These goals can inspire your relationship to reach new heights. Fixing a boring relationship. If you're in a relationship that is dragging you down, it's time to start fixing it. It's not the end of the world, but it can lead to relationship disaster if you don't do something about it. Fortunately, you can fix a boring relationship and restore its original charm and excitement. To begin with, start by eliminating any causes of dissatisfaction or cynicism. Distrust and insults build up and cannot be constructively acted on by a couple. It is also unhealthy for your relationship to harbor resentment toward your partner. Instead of arguing with each other, try to make the relationship fun and exciting by taking a vacation or doing something together that you both enjoy. Spending too much time together can also lead to a lack of spontaneity. Make time to spend with friends and family. If you work together, give each other some space to spend time with other people. Even if you're in a long-distance relationship, try to make it fun and exciting. If you and your partner are passionate about cycling, try to go cycling together. Otherwise, you'll find you have little in common. Alternatively, try going to the gym together. This will help you find something in common. In time, your partner will appreciate your efforts. If you're not passionate about cycling, try to take up another hobby together. When you and your partner begin to feel bored with each other, it may be a sign that something has changed in your relationship. In the beginning, you probably felt excited and romantic. You spent a lot of time together, but then something changed. Now you feel like you're missing out, or you're afraid to tell your partner that you're not happy. Boredom isn't a bad thing in a relationship, but it can be a symptom of deeper problems. You need to ask yourself if you still love your partner and want to work on your relationship. If the answer is no, you may need to find a new partner who can make your relationship exciting. There are many reasons why your relationship has become too boring. It's important to find out the underlying cause so that you can fix the problem. Sometimes this might mean getting emotional intimacy coaching from a professional. If that doesn't work, a breakup may be the best solution. Dealing with relationship boredom. Relationship boredom can be a serious issue. You might be wondering how to deal with it. The key is to identify the causes and address them. A recent study surveyed married and dating couples and asked them what makes them feel bored. The common causes were lack of novelty and stimulation. Researchers then came up with the top 10 reasons for relationship boredom. Knowing what these causes are will help you avoid them in the future. When a relationship begins to become dull, both partners may feel disconnected from each other. This can lead to emotional distancing and even problems with dishonesty. It may even lead to a loss of attraction for your significant other. To avoid this problem, take steps to make your relationship more exciting. Often, the first few stages of a relationship are exciting. However, as the relationship progresses, it begins to feel routine. Both partners may feel less inclined to try new things or spend more time together. Eventually, this may lead to a lack of interaction and boredom. Therefore, it is essential to take action now. Relationship boredom can also be a sign of a serious underlying issue in your relationship. In such a case, you may want to consider talking to your partner about it. Oftentimes, this is the best way to solve the problem. If your partner seems uninterested in the relationship, try to talk to them about the issue and listen to their concerns. This way, you can both figure out a way to get through this phase.